Hi everybody and welcome to Photomikes Garage. Today again working on the 2001 Viper GTS. I'm going to bleed the clutch fluid system. I'm going to bleed the hydraulic clutch. Yes, that's what I meant to say. I'm going to bleed the hydraulic clutch because the fluid is really dirty. I don't believe it's ever been done. Now underneath the car I'm going to lift her up and there is a nipple. Don't do that. There is a nipple that you can open and let the fluid out. So I'm going to get an assistant to press the clutch pedal. I'm going to open the nipple and then I'm going to let the fluid out until it runs clear. And that's, I think, pretty simple. Pretty simple. Let's do it. But I better check with the service book to make sure I know how to do it. Okay, section 6-4, clutch linkage bleed procedure. Okay, it's sort of like, as I said, you open the, it's called a bleed screw, so it's not called a nipple. I think I still call it the nipple. Anyway, you get an assistant to pump down the clutch pedal as the bleed screw is opened, or nipple, and you do that a few times and that should get rid of any air, and in my case I'm going to get rid of the bad fluid and just replace it with clean fluid. Okay, let's get to work. First thing to do is to look at it. Let's have a little look. This is basically brake fluid, which is what's used for the hydraulic clutch. You want to put down protection because brake fluid will eat paint, so put down protection for your paint. And let's take this cap off, put it down. Got a little bellows there, and wow, I think you can see how dirty. It's completely black. That should be a clear yellow fluid, and that is completely black. So you're going to need a container. It doesn't have to be very large for the fluid. In she goes, and let's suck up the fluid. Yeah. Yeah, and you can see we got some nasty stuff in there. That's very black. Got it pretty clean inside there. So now it's time to put in some clean .4 brake fluid. Yes. Okay, so the clutch, the hydraulic clutch feed line goes in right here. And this is the bleed right up here. So I'm going to open this and see if any fluid comes out. Oh, fluid's coming out. Fluid's coming out. Fluid's coming out. Push the clutch pedal down slowly, okay? Slowly? Go ahead. Okay, let it up. And now we're going to do it again. We're going to do it again. Okay, push the clutch pedal. Is it going down? Yeah. Is it all the way down? Okay, when it's all the way down, hold it there. Is it all the way down? Yeah. Okay. We're just going to keep doing this until we get clear fluid. That's the objective. Now we check the reservoir level to make sure that it is. We don't want to go down too far. Wow, it didn't go down too far. Very good. Okay, so that procedure seems to have worked. So I never noticed any air bubbles coming out, but I definitely got rid of some very dark and nasty fluid. So I think the hydraulic clutch is ready to go. All right, thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time.